looks awesome. Hey there everybody, welcome back to Groundhog's Garage. My name is Jim. Thank you for joining me today. Hey, we have reached a momentous, I got goosebumps. So anyway, we're reaching a momentous benchmark, I guess, on the car, and I'm getting ready to put one of the fenders on. This is the drinker side fender. It's all set to go. It's been cleared. It's been drying for a day or two. I cleaned up the fender well a little bit. I have the driver's side ready to go. I know it's not ready to go. It needs another coat of paint and clear put on it. I ran out of paint. And I have the fiberglass nose piece over here. And I'm going to get one of my friends to help me to put it on the backing plate, because you kind of got to shuffle it around a little bit to get it on. Let's just see what it looks like. That looks awesome. I literally do have goosebumps right now. And I'm surprised. I mean, the paint, well, it's possible the paint does match. It's just the door is so dirty. I'm dying right now. So the next installment will be me finishing the other fender, and we'll be painting the hood too. I ran out of paint, so now I just need to put another coat on the driver's side fender, and then I have enough paint, plenty of paint to paint the hood and clear coat it. Awesome, just freaking awesome. Alright, well, thanks for joining me. Subscribe, click that like button, smash that like button, turn on your notifications, because it's coming together. After as long as it's been sitting there, I'll get it together and it won't run. Yeah, well, at least it'll look nice.